Hello everybody, my name's Lois and you all know me as the Display Lady. This is my new how-to series where I'm going to teach you how to make things for your displays like I use in my displays. It's going to come out every Wednesday hopefully for the next couple of weeks, and I'm going to start off today with Pom Poms. So if you want to know how to make one of these, stick around for this video. So for this project, what you're going to need is a pair of scissors, pipe cleaners. I get the extra long kind because it's so much easier with the long kind, and tissue paper. You need about 8 to 10 pieces of tissue paper. You do not want any more because you won't be able to do a later step. Trust me, I've tried it. So 8 to 10 is just perfect for the tissue paper sheets. And obviously you can choose whatever colour you would like. Sometimes I like to alternate colours, so it's 2 colours. But it's absolutely your choice what colours you would like. Right, so once you've got your 8 or 10 or 9 pieces of tissue paper, what you need to do is you need to lay them all on top of each other. I'll zoom out a little bit. So lay them all on top of each other so they fit pretty much perfectly. And then you're going to fold it like a fan. So fold up about that's 5 centimetres or so. It doesn't really matter how big your folds are, I won't worry too much about it. You can do them wider, you can do them pretty narrow. So once you've folded it up, you're going to turn the whole thing over and you're going to fold it up the other way, a bit like if you were going to make a fan. So fold it up that way like that, and then turn it over and fold it up again. You're folding it up exactly the same distance as well, so the folds remain exactly the same. So this is what we're looking like at the moment. We're making a kind of a zigzaggy pattern. So fold up, turn over, and just repeat this process until you've folded all the paper. Don't worry if your last fold's not perfect. Okay, so you can see on mine how my folds are not perfectly even. I've got bits sticking out. It does not matter, so don't worry, don't freak out about that. So you should have like a big fan, basically, out of tissue paper. I'm pressing down because I want those folds in. Then I'm going to take one of my pipe cleaners. Extra long is best because the short ones don't go around so easily. And I'm going to put it in the middle. So I'm going to wrap it around the middle like this. Roughly the middle. And then I'm just going to twist it to fasten it. And this is what you're going to use to attach it to whatever you're dangling from the ceiling. So you could attach this to some string or some invisible wire or whatever. I'm just going to fold it down because I'm not actually attaching it to anything. So there we have the next step. Attach the pipe cleaner around the middle. Right, this is a step where if you used too much tissue paper, you're going to really struggle. So you want to cut the ends of each side. So you can either cut them in a curve or a point, and that's up to you completely, and you can kind of experiment. When I did the under the sea urchins, I did those into points. If I'm doing sort of flowers and things like that, I cut them into a curve. So it looks like that. Doesn't need to be really super even or anything. You just want to cut off the corners, basically. It's quite tough if you've chosen to use 10. That's why I don't recommend more than 10 pieces of tissue paper. So my ends look like this, all cut off, not very neatly. This is spare, so you could put it in your craft drawer or in the bin, whichever. And what you're going to do now is you're going to want to fan out each side. So either start with the top side or the bottom side, and it doesn't matter which. And you're going to pull out each individual piece of tissue paper. I usually pull out one side and then I pull out a sheet from the other and I keep going like that. So I'll show you exactly what I mean. So I'm just going to pull out gently because you don't want to rip the tissue paper. One side, and I'm just going to pull it down like that up to the pipe cleaner in the middle. So that's one side done. And then I'm going to do the same with the other side of the top section. Just like that. So I've still got all my chunk in the middle. I've fluffed this one, and the bottom is still in a fan. I'm going to keep repeating this process over and over again until I'm finished. So that's one side all fluffed out, and now I need to turn over and do the other side. So it does puff out quite a lot, and you might want to just rearrange a little bit. So I'm going to puff out the other side now. Here we go. So there you have it, one pom pom. So there you have it, how to make a big pom pom out of tissue paper and a pipe cleaner. Simple. If you enjoyed this video, hit the bell icon and stick around for next week where I'm going to show you how to make plastic poppies. See you in the next one.